I didn't think this could look more like my natural hair. Now it really looks like my natural hair. Hey y'all, it's Jayla, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Y'all have been loving my last video, which was me installing these miracle knots using synthetic hair because we love a $7 hairstyle over a $300 hairstyle. So I promised y'all I would be back with an update on what my hair is looking like. This is my Miracle Knots hairstyle after 2 weeks of wear. Honestly, y'all, I have been loving this hairstyle. I still think it looks super natural. It looks like my hair just longer. I've been getting a lot of compliments on the hairstyle, but as you can tell, it looks different than what we initially started off with. And the biggest thing for me has been my scalp. If you don't already know, I was actually diagnosed with a scalp condition last year. I went to the dermatologist and everything, and I've been making videos about my scalp health and progress. I definitely owe y'all an updated video, but my scalp has definitely started acting up in this hairstyle. So for me, it's time to refresh. Now, because I'm not ready to let go of this hairstyle, I'm actually gonna do my wash day while in this hairstyle. Because of my scalp condition, I am gonna start off with my medicated shampoo that is supposed to help my scalp stop getting so flaky and so itchy. I'm gonna follow that up with the detoxifying shampoo from Sacred. Now, if I didn't have a scalp condition, I would go in with just this shampoo because it's built specifically for use in protective styles. It's supposed to help get rid of excess dirt, oil product, and sweat while also toning color if you had color to tone. I'm gonna follow that up with my Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioner. Now, this conditioner is gonna help me not only with my natural hair, but also within synthetic hair because this conditioner is pretty high in silicones. Silicones will actually work on synthetic hair and help slip out some of those knots. Going into my leave-in, I'm going to use the Moisture Sealing Lotion by Sacred. I really like this as a leave-in conditioner. It's heavy and oily enough for my hair because my hair prefers to be weighed down just a little bit. Last but not least, I'm gonna try to fight the frizz that will come with wetting my hair. So I'm gonna go into this Vigorol Olive Oil Mega Moisture Mousse. This is what I'm gonna put all over my hair right before I tie it down with the scarf. Now, before we get started, I am going to flat my hair up into 4 sections, and that is how I'm going to shampoo my hair. Some of the knots that come out. This is all the hair that just came out as I with finger detangled this synthetic hair. It's like 2 weeks worth of tangles, y'all. Let's get into our wash day. Starting off with my medicated shampoo, y'all, this shampoo does not lather well at all. I really try to concentrate this on my scalp. You can see me really like itching, scratching, trying to bring those flakes up just to get them off my scalp and to make sure that the shampoo can get active. I'm gonna rinse that out and then go right into the detoxifying shampoo. Now, this one lathers up really well, and it has a nice tingly feeling. Pretty sure there's some tea tree oil in there. There may be some peppermint oil, but I like the way this lathers. Again, you're gonna notice that whenever I'm using shampoo, I'm concentrating it on my scalp only. I'm not taking it down the length of my braids because really the scalp is what needs to get super clean and refreshed. The rest of my hair is pretty fine, and also I don't want to dry it out, okay? I'm gonna rinse that out completely. I always like to rinse really well in between steps, and now I'm going into conditioner. Now, this is where I'm going to start concentrating product on my actual hair and not on my scalp. So you're gonna see me drag that shampoo down the length of my braid. And then remember, I told y'all I was using this conditioner because it's pretty high in silicones and it'll make it a lot easier for me to detangle the synthetic hair. So I'm taking a loose each one of my plaits. I'm adding conditioner to it, and I'm gonna finger detangle each section to get all those knots and tangles out. Now, yes, when I dry detangled, I had some hair come out, but like the wet detangling really helped as well. Definitely got some more hair that came out. So just be aware when you're dealing with the synthetic hair, it's gonna tangle, it's gonna mat up.
you got to get that out of there. So as y'all can see, this is the hair that I lost from that section. I went ahead and plaited it back up, and I'm going to do that to all 4 sections. That's basically the wash day process. I'll come back to y'all when I'm finished detangling. Once I rinse that conditioner completely out of my head, I have one more step that I'm going to do in the bathroom, and that is actually going to be dipping my hair in warm to hot water. Now, no fears. You can see I'm not going all the way down. I'm not dipping my natural hair, but I do want to add a little extra crinkle to the ends of the synthetic hair. So I'm just refreshing that, and we are all done with the wash day routine.
Alright y'all, my hair is freshly shampooed, conditioned. I even detangled the synthetic hair, and I also dipped the ends in warm water once again to give it a little bit more texture. This time I made sure not to dip my natural hair. Because I washed my hair, I can clearly see where my natural hair ends, so I just dipped up to that level, but I did not put my natural hair in the hot water. We are almost done. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna let my hair dry completely, and then I'll come back to y'all with the final results. No frizz. My hair looks good, it smells good, it feels good. Obsessed. I'm gonna fix the back of my hair so I don't have these big old parts. I didn't think this could look more like my natural hair, but like now it really looks like my natural hair. Y'all see that? I'll probably rock this hairstyle for a couple more weeks before I go ahead and take it out. But again, y'all, this is 2 weeks in this style, and we have completely refreshed it. Like, I hope this video helps y'all refresh and maintain your miracle knots using synthetic hair. Let me know what you think of the results in the comment section below. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people. I will definitely film the takedown video for y'all because I know you want to see that. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.